Hello, and welcome to week one of our fall 2022 Math 081 course. I am so happy that you made it to the week one overview page. That means you're following the weekly routine that you should follow every week in order to be successful in this class. So every week you want to start at the weekly overview page. So since we are in week one right now, we are here at our week one overview. Now, every week you want to return to the overview page because I'm always going to have two videos for you to watch. In the first video, that's the video that you're watching right now, I will embed a secret question. And by answering that secret question and uploading your work into the assignment down at the bottom of the page, you can earn 2 bonus points. That's right, 2 bonus points every single week. Okay. Now, the second video that you see on the page, you're going to watch this in just a second after you're done with this first video, and you're going to watch the video on how to simplify expressions using the order of operations, because that's something we're going to learn this week. We're going to learn how to simplify expressions with whole numbers according to the order of operations. So I want to give you a quick preview of that right now in the beginning of the week. Then after you watch the videos, I still want you to go through and read the weekly overview page so you know everything else that you want to pay attention to and focus on this week. And then down here at the bottom, here's the link to the week one overview assignment where you can earn your 2 bonus points. And then after that, you'll continue with the rest of the assignments for the week and just continue to follow our weekly workflow. So every week you have a nice routine to follow. Okay. I really look forward to working with you for the next 14 weeks. Let me show you the secret question right now. Okay, so here is our secret question. So I want you to simplify the expression according to the order of operations. So what you're going to do is you're going to simplify that expression either on a piece of paper, or you're going to simplify it using your iPad and your Apple Pencil. And either way, if you do it on paper, you want to scan it and you want to upload it as a PDF, or if you're working on your iPad, you can just save it. You can annotate a blank page, save it as a PDF, and upload it. But here is the expression that I want you to simplify according to the order of operations. And then you'll come back to the weekly overview page and you will upload right there for 2 bonus points. Okay? Too good to be true, right? 2 bonus points every week. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to reading all about you in the student introductions